divided by modified Marshall scoring system. For respiratory, for renal, and for cardiovascular, there are the scoring from starting from 0 and up to the 4, and depending on we identify and define the organ dysfunction. My second question is, there are a lot of drugs which can cause acute pancreatitis, but one of the drug in these four which cannot. So, which is the drug? The first option is valproate, second is azathioprine, third is furosemide, and fourth is aldactone. Any lead, Dr. Gupta?
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
I think it should be aldactone. I am not very sure.
Okay, Dr. Aditya.
Which does it called? Aldactone.
What the public thinks, Vipul?
Sir, it is like splitted response between azathioprine, furosemide, and aldactone. Nobody has gone with valproate.
Yeah, it's a very important question actually, because the drug we don't know that there are a lot of drugs which can cause acute pancreatitis. Valproate we know classically can cause acute pancreatitis, but surprisingly azathioprine and furosemide also can cause acute pancreatitis. My dear colleague rightly said aldactone cannot. So there is a long list of cause of acute pancreatitis. We know by gallstone and alcohol, 2/3 of cases contribute to gallstone and alcohol. But the important point is there are a lot of drugs which we should consider before embarking on idiopathic pancreatitis. Like metronidazole, furosemide, thiazide, sulfasalazine, 5-ASA, azathioprines, and calcium estrogens. These are quite not common, but yes, these are the documented cause of acute pancreatitis. So we should rule out before embarking on idiopathic pancreatitis. There are a lot of other causes also, like viral infections, congenital, vascular. Regarding pathogenesis, in early acute changes, there is a central requirement of induction of acute pancreatitis by the activation of intra-acinar proteolytic enzyme, which ultimately lead to autodigestions of the pancreas. There are important role of pancreatic proteases, which causes acute inflammation in pancreas and causing acute pancreatitis. So theoretically, we should think about the anti-proteases, which can be a role in in treatment of acute pancreatitis. Though we know that there are lot of molecules, lot of markers which can be helpful for treatment of acute pancreatitis. There are two major pancreatic proteases like trypsin and chymotrypsin, which are important in the pathogenesis of acute pancreatitis. By this cartoon, we clearly see that by the activation of chymotrypsinogen into chymotrypsin, and then the cascade of acute pancreatitis happens. So there are a lot of interleukins, tumor necrosis factors are associated with acute pancreatitis. In my question number 3, which interleukins is not associated with acute pancreatitis? The options are interleukin 1 alpha, interleukin 1 beta, IL-6, and IL-8. Dr. Amy?